Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Take it simple. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Frollo on your phone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store on your phone. Now navigate your way to the search bar or the search icon on your phone. Go ahead and type in Frollo and Frollo Money Manager will pop up on your screen. Tap on it. Then the top option on your screen with the purple icon is the app that you want to download. Right beside the icon, you're gonna find one of these four options: download, install, get, or backup. Go ahead, tap on one of those and you'll be able to download the app Frollo. And guys, that's it. That's how you download Frollo on your phone. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.